How to change your life in a year. Imagine transforming your life, mastering your emotions, and achieving deep personal satisfaction, all within just 1 year. What if I told you that the ancient philosophy of Stoicism holds the secrets to not just surviving the chaos of modern life, but thriving in it? Today, you're starting a journey that will redefine your understanding of happiness and control. Stay tuned as we break down the timeless wisdom of Stoicism into practical, monthly steps that will revolutionize your year ahead. Don't just drift through life. Steer boldly towards your best self. Welcome to our transformative journey through Stoicism. This video series is dedicated to exploring how Stoic wisdom can fundamentally alter your outlook and improve your life over the course of a year. Every month, we'll dive into a different principle, applying ancient wisdom to modern challenges to help you gain tranquility, resilience, and satisfaction. Principle 1. Self-awareness. Stoicism starts with self-awareness. It's about observing our thoughts and behaviors critically yet compassionately. Start by setting aside 10 minutes each morning for introspective journaling. Focus on what emotions you feel, why you think they arise, and how they affect your decisions. This practice will enhance your emotional intelligence, leading to better decision-making and increased inner peace. Principle 2. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism is essential in Stoicism, which advocates for living simply and valuing experiences over possessions. Each month, choose one area of your life to simplify, whether it's clearing out unused items, optimizing your workflow, or purging digital clutter. This habit not only declutters your space but also your mind, making room for more meaningful pursuits. Principle 3. Practice resilience. Resilience lies at the heart of Stoicism. It's about enduring hardships with grace and growing from them. Challenge yourself regularly by stepping outside your comfort zone. This could be taking on a new responsibility at work, starting a difficult project, or engaging in public speaking. After each challenge, reflect on what you learned and how you can apply those lessons in the future. Principle 4. Reflect daily. Incorporate a nightly reflection ritual, akin to Marcus Aurelius' meditations. Every night, spend 5 to 10 minutes reviewing the day. Consider the high points, the struggles, and what virtues you displayed or failed to uphold. Use these reflections to set intentions for the following day, continuously refining your character and actions. Principle 5. Learn to let go. A core Stoic principle is focusing on what you can control and accepting what you cannot. This year, actively work on letting go of frustrations related to external circumstances. When you find yourself getting upset over delays, disruptions, or disagreements, remind yourself of this mantra: I control my reactions, not the situation. Principle 6. Develop compassion. Stoicism isn't just about personal growth. It's also about fostering community and understanding. Make a conscious effort to practice compassion and empathy. Listen more than you speak, try to understand others' points of view, and offer help without expectation of reward. This practice will not only enrich your relationships but also build a supportive community around you. Principle 7. Focus on present actions. Stoics emphasize living in the present and focusing on the actions at hand. Throughout this year, practice mindfulness in your daily activities. Whether you're eating, walking, or working, fully immerse yourself in the experience without distraction. This presence will increase your efficacy and satisfaction in everyday life. Principle 8. Value your time. Time, according to Stoics, is one of your most valuable resources. Evaluate how you spend your time, and each month, try to eliminate activities that don't add value to your life. This could mean reducing time spent on social media, cutting down on unnecessary meetings, or saying no to commitments that drain your energy. Conclusion. Adopting Stoic principles provides a solid framework for not just enduring life's challenges, but thriving amidst them. Each principle builds on the next, creating a robust foundation for personal and community growth. Join us on this year-long journey to a fuller, more centered life. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.